In this video, you'll learn how to use the hole command to create holes in solid bodies and the pattern command to multiply those holes in Fusion 360. In the design workspace, the hole command adds holes to faces, planes, or sketch points. With hole, you can create plane, threaded, countersunk, and counterbored holes, and use sketches or existing geometry to position them. We'll use the hole and pattern commands to add mounting holes to this part. On the toolbar or in the Create drop-down, click Hole. The dialog displays and the selector is active. Select the face where the holes will be placed. The hole previews using the default or last used values. Click Drag on the hole instance to position it. As you do, feature-defining geometry displays. Drop it on projected geometry, such as a center point, to build a relationship between the hole and other features. We'll place the hole on a projected point midway up and to the right or left of the center oval. In the dialog, in the Shape settings, set Extents to All, Hole Type to Simple, Hole Tap Type, Clearance, Drill Point, Angle, Standard ANSI Metric M Profile, Fastener Type, Socket Head Cap Screw, and the size M6. Fit, Normal. Then click OK. In Clear Canvas space, right-click and in the Marking menu select Repeat Hole. Position the second hole midway up on the opposite side of the oval feature. In the dialog, set Distance to All. The other parameters are good, so we click OK. We'll use the same process to create the holes around the top and bottom. Then we'll pattern them. Repeat the hole command and place the hole for the second pattern. On the Solid tab, in the Create drop-down list, select Pattern, Circular Pattern. The dialog displays and the object selector is active. In the dialog, set Type to Feature. In the canvas, select the hole feature just created. Then in the dialog, click the Axis selector, and in the canvas, select the geometry that provides the axis for the pattern. We'll select the curved face on the side of the part. Next, set Angular Spacing to Angle, Suppress is Good selected, Total Angle 90 degrees, and then Quantity is good at 3. Then click OK. In the canvas, right-click and select Repeat Circular Pattern. Using the same steps, pattern the holes in the lower section of the part. As you can see, with the hole command, you can quickly create holes using sketch points, a plane, or a face, and with the pattern command, you can quickly create hole layouts. Thanks for watching.